When you hear the term Linux, you think, wow, that's a powerful operating system. But you also know that most people don't mess with it. Why? Is it because it's complicated and hard to use? Well, not really. Maybe it's because the community that's so great that helps power it also is a negative influence behind it and kind of pressures people. That could be too. But maybe it's just people don't feel comfortable with it because they don't understand it. That is my goal in this video series, is to go over how to use Linux. I'm going to focus on mainly Ubuntu and Debian. And if you're new to Linux, you don't know what that is, that's totally understandable. It's cool. You just know it's a flavor of Linux, and it's one of the most popular ones that we currently use. And that's the one I'm the most familiar with, so I don't want to misquote something in another area. My goal is to help you understand the basic commands and help you be able to log into a Linux box, and when you see it, not be intimidated by it. For example, whenever you first opened up a command prompt in Windows, or maybe a PowerShell prompt, you didn't know what to type, you didn't know what to do. It's like the same way I felt getting behind a Cisco switch. I just felt overwhelmed. And I think that that's probably where most people that are new to Linux struggles, because it's so easy to get overwhelmed. And that's my goal in this video series, is to go over a high-level overview of what the commands are and give you demonstrations and walk you through it so that way you're not alone. Everybody struggles with it, whether you're a seasoned Linux expert or a complete new person to it. You have to learn it, and everybody struggles and tries to find out the best way. So that's my goal within this video series, is to help you learn Linux like a pro. This sounds like something you're interested in? Please continue through this playlist, and I will see you on the next video. And thank you for watching Blackburn in Tech.